I don't know if this is a good idea. That might be better. Hey, we're not starting a vlog in the middle of the night. That's kind of cool, right? Boys, forgive me. I told you guys I was going to vlog a little bit more this year. I've been busy, okay? My job just kind of like takes over my life. My life is my job, and so it's about time I pick up the camera. So let's go racing. I gotta get to the track. I'm running a little bit late. I was doing dishes, and yeah, now I'm running late. So let's get to the track. I'm not sure what I'm getting myself into. This is my first for me. This is a first time for me. First time in the car, first time going to a track and actually being involved, actually like racing. I've gone to the track before. I've gone multiple times, but I've never entered anything. I've never entered any of the car shows, never taken a car to a car show, never went and raced at the track, and so this is a new for me. This is a first. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully I figure it out. I'll probably make a fool of myself, but if we can get down the track and back home, it is successful enough. Okay, I don't know what I'm signing up for here. I don't know what's going on, but they gave me these two papers and then they told me to come and get in line. So we're gonna send it, boys. We're just gonna figure it out as we go. I don't know what I do with this. I think I give it to him before I go run. Got a number somewhere. Got a number. They said group 3, so I guess once they start calling out group 3, go. I don't know. Does that work? Not really, but anyways, I'll just leave it there. First time at the track. I'm not sure what I'm getting myself into. Brought my GoPro, my suction cup somewhere in here. This guy I should probably just like, yeah, put right there. So I told myself this year I was gonna do more stuff, especially since I got this car. I think it was last year. Last year I didn't do very much. And then I got this car towards the end of the year. Year before that I didn't do anything either. So now we're just out here having fun. I don't know anybody. And starting the season, I'm not gonna lie, it ate at me. Now I'm just kind of used to it. I'm out here making the most of it, right? Because that's the point. Why wait for somebody else to kind of like show up, show me the ropes? I'm here, I can ask questions, I can figure it out for myself. Well, actually, I'm just gonna suction it inside. So I gotta figure out how to make it work inside. Okay, so I ended up switching sides, and the sun's a lot better over here. I gotta figure out this camera. I can't figure it out. So like I was saying, I'm always like into trying to do new things, and like first experiences in the bloodline. When I was little, I always wanted to come out to a racetrack. Like I always wanted to participate, and we never were able to. Like my dad barely was able to hold the house, and so like these are just like first for me. Like all this is just like first. So coming to do it by myself, like yeah, it kind of sucks trying to figure it out, but I'm willing. And I think this should be encouraging for anybody wanting to as well, because I think 5 years ago when I had the same thing, I was just worried to like show up and mess up and make mistakes. It really is true. Go make mistakes, then you'll learn. And so now I'm at the point where I'm like, I'll just give it a shot. See, I can't figure out this camera still. I've been messing with it for 30 minutes. Eventually I'll get it. Eventually I'll get it. Yeah, I don't know. I'll figure this out. Eventually, but I got it. I think it'll work. Something is going on with my radio. It's been stuck like that since I got back in it, because I drove it earlier and then I went and grabbed it again, and the radio's just been doing that this whole time. So I don't know if that's like a radio problem. I don't know if I clicked something I wasn't supposed to. I'm gonna go walk around. Let's go check out the other cars maybe. I don't know what else is here. Let's go check out the other cars. This thing's kind of crazy if it runs. So my dad used to have one, but 6.5, the diesel. I think that's a 350. I think it's a gasser. That's kind of crazy though. Same thing, dually, around the same year, but it was like gray. I'm gonna guess all the group 3 cars are the ones that I'll be basically up against, where like those will be the ones that'll be in the same like speed range as me. I don't know. But also I think they grouped me wrong because I don't know how fast I'll go. Chachi, where you at? White on white on white. I low-key want a G20. I think the G20 is kind of cool. M2. I kind of like the M2, I'm not gonna lie. See, these guys are like group 2, I think. No, 3 and 2, so yeah, I don't know. This one's definitely, I think, faster. Group 3, I don't know, maybe. Still trying to figure out how this works. I think this is a bigger lot over here where everybody that brought their trailer. I was gonna bring mine. I was gonna bring the 6.0 in the trailer because I was like, in case I need tools or jack stands or something, I got it. But I said, you know what? I think this first time I'll scope it out, see what it's like, and then next time I come, I'll probably bring the truck. Yeah, hopefully nothing breaks, but nothing should break. The car's in good condition. I've been keeping up with it, but I think next time for sure I'm bringing the trailer though, the truck and trailer. Honestly, I still want to build a Honda. I got rid of all my Hondas and then, I don't know, they just make really good platforms. So I low-key still want to build a Honda. They're quick too, with not much power because they're really light. But they're hell expensive now. Their rolling shells are like $2 grand. It's just kind of crazy. Dude, this thing's kind of crazy. See, group 2, I know this is definitely faster than mine. That's group 2. So I wonder if like the higher the group, the slower. I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, these guys brought their whole trailer setup. I think next time I'll bring mine. It's just a little flatbed like that one right there, but it's probably overkill. But like I said, in case I need anything. This thing's kind of cool, little truck. See, now these guys are group 4. I think I saw this one was boosted. I don't know about that one. I think this one, group 4, group 3. This looks quick. Group 3. What even is that? I don't know, dude. I don't know Volkswagens. Group 4. Wild setup. This thing must be fast. It's gotta be, dude. There's 2 big ass turbos in the front. It's a wild setup. So this is Matt's car. We went with these guys out on that cruise earlier this year. That was the first event this year. I guess he just got this and it's not even broken in yet, so he's not running it, but color's pretty cool. It's like a purplish bluish. I don't know if I'm allowed to get in line, but I'm gonna get in line and see what they tell me. If they turn me around, they turn me around, but if they let me go, and I guess we're going.
Let's do it again. I hope that was right. I don't know. We'll see later, I guess. Oh, that was fun, dude. Oh. Hey, at least I wasn't the guy behind. The M2, he just slept at the line. He stayed there like the whole time. I don't know. I'll be honest with you guys. I don't know. I feel like I did something wrong, but the light turned green, so I went. I don't know. We'll see. Thank you.
Okay, I got down the track. First ever track slip, boys. Let's go. I'm excited. 494, that was us. Reaction time, almost a second, 0.733. 60 foot was 2.75, so the M2 had me at the 60 foot. When he finally took off, his reaction time was almost 9 seconds. That's insane. That run is actually really damn close. I ran a 14.4, he ran a 14.5. That race would have actually been really damn good. If we would have actually taken off at proper timing, that would have been actually a really damn good race. Okay, so while this thing transfers from the GoPro because I wanted my phone, let's talk about a couple things. When I bought it, it had the full exhaust. O2 sensors aren't reading right, and so the computer thinks there's something wrong. I think I don't have launch control and I don't have the line lock. I think it's because of that check engine light. And so I gotta get a tune. I have to get a tune now if I want to get that fixed. The line lock just lets me do the initial burnout to heat up the tires to get sticky. That I did perfectly fine. The launch, I completely sucked at. I'm transferring from the GoPro to my phone so I can rewatch the footage, see how I did. I'm not gonna get 100% everything, but at least I'll have a good idea of what I did right, what I did wrong. Definitely everything I could improve on. But that was fun. The kid next to me just like stayed there. But honestly, if he would have taken off, the race would have actually been really damn good. He caught up. His car is faster. But I ran a 14.4, he ran a 14.5. And this car could go faster is the thing. Like this car can go faster. I shifted so badly. I shifted first, second, and then into third, and then cruised into fourth. And then I'm like, what am I doing, dude? Like, I'm not even first time for everything. Like, again, make mistakes, dude, make mistakes. I think we might get to go again once more tonight. He punched my thing, and so I don't know if that means that's like 1 out of 2, or I don't know. We'll see.
What do you got? Lambo or Porsche?
I think the Lambo.
I think the Lambo too.
I don't know. Porsche is more for cornering.
Yeah. More aerodynamic. What do you think?
Lambo.
Lambo?
Hella.
To the four-wheel.
We're up, boys. It's our run again. I don't know if I'll go the last time. I think I'm gonna leave. I've been up since like 2 in the morning. I've not eaten, so I kind of want to leave.
Has all the different designs.
Really good night. I'm gonna go do this run.
The pit area is open as
GoPro
well.
still on the window.
Food from your friends.
Let's get it.
Firebird.
Dude, that was insane. There ain't no way I did that without traction control. That was such a better run though. That was such a better run. Let's go. That was awesome. All it took was that first time to get it down. That was such a better run. Thank you.
All right, boys, just got done with my second run. Here's how it went. Where'd my first run go? I think my first run right here. So both runs, I was in the right lane, 494. Reaction time, right about the same. 60 foot, I did better on the second run. 1/8 of a mile, definitely did better on the second run. And I shaved off almost a full second on the second run with 7 miles an hour more on the second run. Pretty damn good. Actually, 13.6, I'm not even gonna be mad at that. I'm actually really happy with that. I think there was a possibility to go again. I'm not gonna take it. I've been up since 2 in the morning, boys. I'm tired, I haven't eaten. I'm gonna go eat and then I'm gonna go to sleep. Gotta wake up tomorrow for church. So I'm just gonna call it a day. I really don't know where the build of the car is gonna go. Last month, couple months ago, we were drifting it, and then this month it's going in a straight line. So I don't have an exact build that I have in mind. I just wanna have it, I just wanna make it fun. I think if I could get in the 12s, I think that's good for a while. I wouldn't have to push that much more power. Apparently, so Google says with the right driver, this car could push those 12s, those low 12s. Maybe with better tires as well, because I've burned through these. Maybe a little bit better practice. I could probably shave that 13.6 down to like a 13.2. I think that's as good as I can get, at least for a while, get more practice in and whatnot, but I'm happy with this. It was 2 runs, but man, I learned a lot from that first run and I corrected a lot on that second run. I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna go find something to eat. I gotta go to sleep. I'm gonna try to come more often. I'm gonna try to make it to these events more often. Garage races, I work Saturday morning, Saturday evening, yeah, so I should be able to make it Saturday night. Like these night events, I should be able to make them, but if you guys like the video, go hit the like button, comment down below, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one.